Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Tanmoy. Today I am going to give you a walk around through Microsoft Excel. Ever opened Microsoft Excel and thought, whoa, what to do now? Whether you are working on school project, managing budget, or just want to learn it, Excel is a very powerful tool and today I will help you to get started from the scratch. You can launch Excel by clicking on the icon on your desktop, or you can search it in your taskbar, or just search Excel in the search window. Here we will type just Excel, and here it is. We have to press the open to open our Excel sheet. On the Excel, once Excel opens, you will see the start screen. This is your dashboard for opening your recent document, opening a blank worksheet, or even opening some templates. We can go with more template, and here you can search for your template which you need. Here we will go with a personal budget template. And you can see Excel gives us many kind of budget which we can use according to our need. Now we will just open a blank workbook. So here we will have the interface. Let's break down the interface. The top area of your Excel workbook is known as ribbon. This holds all your tools. Just below it is the formula bar, where you can see, write formulas or edit it. And the big grid, that is your worksheet made up of cells. They are arranged in columns and rows. If your screen feels crowded, you can hide the ribbon by clicking the tiny arrow at the top right. But don't worry, you can always unhide it. Just press on the home button, then press pin. The next part will cover the quick access toolbar. It gives you all your favorite actions like save, undo, redo, and from the top down you can get even more options. Here you can get sum, average, and many shortcuts. You can get print. You can change your fonts, and you can edit it. You can edit your quick access toolbar by selecting the tools you frequently use. Here we are selecting the new option to demonstrate you how to get a new option in your quick access toolbar. Here it comes, and now you can use it to create a new document in your workbook. You can use others option too. You can see them and use according to your usage. Let's look at the bottom of our workbook. The workbook tabs at the bottom, those are like pages. You can add one sheet or remove it. From the left portion, you can get all the sheets you have. And you can also customize your scroll bar. Now underneath it is the status bar. It comprises of numlock, your accessibility quality, and then you can change your page layout, how you want to see your workbook. You can say it in the printable format, or you can go for a page break layout. Here is no data, so it is showing currently blank. And you can obviously increase and decrease your size of your workbook according to your display size and how you want to look at your data. Let's get some data in it. And just select the tool number and just copy paste them, and here you go. You can see the average, the count, the numerical count, the minimum, maximum, and the sum of it. So if you need to just know the sums and the counts, you always do not have to use your formulas. You can always get them in your status bar. Remember it. It can be helpful in the future. The next part, we will go through the structure. So, Excel file is called a workbook, and it is made up of worksheets. You can rename the worksheets. Let's rename it as our first test worksheet. And you can also change the color of them. You can duplicate them. And you can rearrange them by just holding and dragging, dropping where you need your specific workbook. And the next part is saving your Excel document. So to save, you can click the floppy disk icon on the top left corner, or you can press Ctrl and S. Then you can name your document. And you can choose your path where you want to save. You can save it in your OneDrive, or you can go in your PC and where you want to save it in a local disk. And here you have to notice that whenever you are saving an Excel document, most of the time it present with .xlsx, and that is the extension of your Excel document. Whenever you save the Excel document, it will go like that. Let's save it for now. If you have an existing Excel document, let's see how to open it. If you have in your local disk, go to the path where it is. Then just double click on it, and it will automatically open to the Excel. If you have any issue opening a document, just comment down. Now we will go through the common shortcut keys of Excel. Here you can see I have written down some of them, and the very common is the copy. You can press on your keyboard Ctrl and C, and then you have to select the cell where you want to paste it. Then you will press Ctrl and V, and it will be pasted. The next shortcut key is undo. You can press Ctrl and Z to undo the task you have done last. And the next shortcut. You might not know it, but it is very useful. When you have a data, you have a large data, you can go directly to the end of it by clicking Ctrl and your arrow keys, and then Ctrl with a space select the whole column, and then Shift and S space will select the whole row for you. They will be very useful in the future when we will go through some projects. If you ever feel overwhelmed, don't stress. Start small, explore one feature at a time, and it will start to click slowly. That's your first 10-minute tour of Excel. We have only scratched the surface, but you know how to move around, save a workbook, and work inside an Excel confidently, or suggest me on which topic you need help. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon and share with your friends. Thank you.